Today, we're going to talk about the future of intelligent machines.
Listen.
Guys, what will cranes look like in the future?
Cranes of the future should be able to fly.
What if tall cranes could transform like the golden cudgel? They could move to new site anytime. If one machine could turn into many different kinds, wouldn't work be much easier?
What if the lift had 4 legs?
I wish I could operate a concrete pub in China from Germany.
Then, what do you think excavators of the future will look like?
Maybe it could turn into a giant steel dinosaur.
Wow! There won't be any workers at construction sites in the future. Only all kinds of machines.
Can we really make this happen?